video we're gonna share up that how you can become a millionaire or become a billionaire. So at first, what you should do in order to become a millionaire or billionaire, whatever you want to be, you should scale yourself. The first most important thing that you should do with yourself is to scale up yourself, because no degree, whatever you have, that doesn't matter, but you have the skill, you have the character. The second most important thing, I think that character is most important, uh, because without any character, that skill, that doesn't matter. If you don't have that mentality, if you don't have that mindset, then you can't go far away, isn't it, from right now. So I think according to me that you should have a great mentality, and you should also do some new things. Try to do some new things that can not only help you to become a billionaire, whatever you want. You should do something that make you happy. That is inner peace, and that's my motive of my life. So goodbye. This is just this video, and if you like this video, please don't uh, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and like this video. Very important thing, if you want to be billionaire, what thing that you should do is action. The most important. Ideas, you have skills, you have whatever mentality. Yeah, I know that mentality is important, but I'm not saying like the mentality, but you have this skill or whatever you have, but if you don't take actions, you can't do that. So okay, so action is very important. So like this video, like this video, subscribe the channel to get more informative, um, more informative videos like this. So goodbye, see you again in the next video. Goodbye.